What is SDA? SDA is a solution that incorporates pre-built data models from other Sage and competitive ERP platforms. This enables businesses to keep extensive insight into data from previous systems as you switch to Sage, without the need to manually map data to the new data model or transfer all of your historical data into the new Sage Live transactional database. Some of the key benefits of SDA are it allows you to combine data sources to report on multiple internal and external sources within one system and interface. It also allows personalized dashboards, which allows you to quickly analyze data in personalized dashboards within the Sage user interface, which we will be demoing shortly. Hello, today I'll be demoing how to embed an SDA dashboard in X3. Before we begin, I would like to preference that I'm using Sage Data and Analytics Data Hub 10 configured via IIS with an on-prem 2022 R1 X3 deployment. The first step, which is essential to embed SDA in X3, is to determine the SDA website URL. To find the SDA URL, you can use the Zap administration tool, which I already have open for the sake of time. It takes a little while to open up. And then once you have the Zap administration tool open, you'll see the SDA website URL listed. Also, Zap BI and SDA will be commonly referred to interchangeably in this demo and also in additional documentation. They're essentially the same solution, just with different branding. All right, so now that we made note of our SDA URL, in X3, we're going to navigate to Administration, Settings, External URL Policies. So as we can see here, I've already created and defined my SDA website URL. It is here, and let me pull back up just so we can compare. It's set to embedded, so we can embed the dashboard that we like and also the status of enable. If you would like more information on how to utilize the external URL policy, there is a how-to guide and an online help that can be referenced. All right, so now that we've already defined that, next, in order to embed the SDA dashboard, we would need to create a menu submodule, a menu module, a menu item, and then the X3 homepage. All right, so first, we're going to navigate to Administration, Authoring, Menu Submodules. We're going to select New Menu Submodule, and put the code SDA _ Sales Manager, Sales Manager Dashboard. And we're going to define the application as X3 ERP. And then we're going to save the submodule. So next we'll need to create the new menu module, which links to our submodule. So that's an Administration, Authoring, Menu Modules. So we're going to select New Menu Module, input the code, the application is already defined. We just need to define the submodule. All right, so from the prior step, this is the submodule we just created. And then we're going to save. All right, next we'll need to retrieve the resource URL from SDA. All right, so we would like to embed the sales manager dashboard. So once you find the dashboard you would like to embed, you would click the ellipsis in SDA and then get link. And we're going to embed this dashboard. So we're going to select embed and then we're going to click copy link. All right, so now that we have our resource URL, we're going to create our new menu item. All right, so we're going to select new menu item, our code SDA sales manager. All right, so our link type needs to be changed to external link. And then we're gonna copy our URL, our resource URL from SDA, which links to the sales manager dashboard. And we're gonna leave it to the same window because we want to embed this dashboard. And then for module, we're gonna select our SDA sales manager dashboard for the menu module. Click save. And the final step is to add or create a new home page. So there's on administration authoring pages, home pages. I'm going to select new home page. All right, I'm going to select use current endpoint. I'm going to select the plus symbol to add a gadget. I'm going to search for sales manager SDA dashboard. There it is. And we're going to assign the owner of admin, which we're currently logged in as. And we're going to save. All right, we're going to return to X3 homepage. And as you can see under my home pages, I now have a sales manager dashboard. But first, I'm going to go ahead and log out of X3 and then log back in. And voila, we have our sales manager dashboard from SDA with all the pertinent information, analytics, graphs, and statistics. As you can see, it's a breeze to embed an SDA dashboard. Well, I hope this brief intro and demo of integrating the SDA dashboard has been helpful. And hope you guys are looking into potentially utilizing our one of our newest offerings of Sage Data and Analytics.